YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Back with another video for you guys today, man. And today's video, so this video is pre-recorded. I usually like to say thank you to all the subscribers, and I'm still going to say thank you to all the subscribers. But I am filming this video the same day that we just hit 700. So thank you guys so much for helping me hit that goal before the beginning of September, man. We're doing great. Once again, for those of you that are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the channel. Join the anonymous sneakerhead family. Got a lot of good things going on here. The goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. And let's say 800 before October 1st. But like I said, I usually like to shout out to each and every one of you at the time of me recording this. At the time of me recording this, we're still at 701 because I'm recording 3 videos today. Also, man, go ahead, get yourself a popple, man. There it is on the screen right there. That's how it works. It's like having a bunch of infinite credit cards on you all the time. All you got to do, bang, tap your phone on somebody else's phone, and they instantly have access to all of your links, whatever links you want them to have, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, all of that. You can put it up there. As you can see, I have my YouTube, my Instagram, my PayPal, my Cashapp, and my popple ambassador link, which is down below in the description. Also, make sure when you go to pick one up, you use promo code ANON, that's ANON, for a discount, man. I am a popple ambassador, and now let's get into today's video. So you guys read the title, you saw the thumbnail, you know what it is. This is another installment on my what seems like ever-going saga of grail hunting, man. So I like to keep all the shoes a secret, especially the ones that I reach back to get before I show them to you guys, so I'm still not going to tell you what it is. If you think you know what it is, you know what I'm saying, guess it down below in the description, and I'll cash app you $20. A couple of you know who you are and not allowed to guess because I told y'all. But those of you that don't know, man, if you want to guess, go ahead and get a little guess in, and if you get it right, I'll cash app you $20. But I doubt anyone will be able to guess it. But let's get into the video, man. So this is just, you know what I'm saying, this is more so a video to show you guys different avenues of hunting down a grail, how difficult it could be sometimes, and really what makes a grail a grail. So this is a shoe that came out, I believe, in 2017, so it's not too old. It's about 3 years old. I think it came out the beginning of 2017, so maybe almost 4 years old, right? And it's a shoe that I really wanted when it came out. Now, as you guys we'll find out, you know what I mean, I started really collecting sneakers, got into it about 2015, so I was relatively new, didn't know too much about how to get sneakers other than a couple different avenues. So long story short, I wasn't able to get my hands on these, right? And it's a shoe, especially this version of it, man, I really, like I said, I really always wanted. However, the certain silhouette that it is, I never owned this silhouette before, so I don't know how they fit, so I assume 12, right? So this is what was happening, right? I would sell shoes. I sell 90% of my shoes on GoDaddy. I sell some through Instagram, some through Facebook Market, but 90% of the shoes that I sell, I do sell through the GoDaddy, right? So when you sell a shoe on the GoDaddy, instead of them instantly sending money to your PayPal and you have money in your PayPal account, they give you what are called GOAT credits, right? What a GOAT credit is money that you could use on that app, or you could just take it out and it goes in your bank account for like a 2% fee or whatever, right? Which is fine. But so basically what I was doing, right, here's an example. So if I bought a shoe for $150 and I sold it for $300, I would take out $150 of my GOAT credit, put that back in my pocket because that's what I put into the shoe, and I would keep the $150 in the GoDaddy, you know what I mean, as like my GoDaddy spending money, my GoDaddy credits. So I started accumulating money, building up money, and I got right around $600, just under $600, and I was like, all right, there's a shoe that I really wanted. Let's see what the prices of them are. Boom. And here we go. Size 12. You know what I'm saying? My all-time grail. One of my all-time grails. Size 12, brand new. You know what I'm saying? There's no used pairs of them, so cool. All right. I'm going to go ahead and get them when my money hits. You know what I mean? $550, I could do that, but I just got to wait until what would have been this past Monday, because I got the Code JPs to sell the Code JP, and that would have put me right at the threshold to buy those shoes just with my sneaker profit money. So I was like, all right, cool. You know what I'm saying? I could buy it right now if I wanted to, but I'm going to just wait till, you know what I mean, I get my profit money from selling those Code JPs, goes through, and I'll be able to sell those, right? All right. Now, mind you guys, I'm looking at this shoe on the GoDaddy for like 2 months. StockX doesn't have it in a size 12. StockX doesn't even have it in a size 11.5. They only had it in a size 11 and a size 13. GoDap didn't have the size 13, but GoDap had an 11.5 and a 12. So perfect, right? So I'm on GoDap and I'm looking. These are $550 for like a month. And I don't know why, but I'm checking every day on my wants because someone had a bid on them for $425 and they have gone for around there before. And so I'm checking every day, making sure they didn't accept the bid. They didn't accept the bid. They didn't accept the bid. Boom. Last week, I sell, or at least last week at the time of me recording this, I don't know when you're going to see this. Last week, I sell my Code JPs on, I think Friday I ship them out because they came in Thursday night. Yeah, I shipped them out Friday. All right, cool. And then I'm waiting because usually the way that GoDaddy works is your money doesn't show up in your credits until they get the shoe and authenticate it. Otherwise, you know what I'm saying, you can send them a fake shoe. Now they got you money. Now there's this whole process. They got to ask for your money back. Da, 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 da. All right. So I'm like, all right, my shoe should get there Monday, which it did. My credits hit Monday, right? Like I said, I've been looking at this shoe for a whole month. $550. Bang, I'm about to buy it right now, right? I opened the app, and they must have been reading my mind or something. Whoever was owning this shoe. Bro, the shoe's $900 now, man. I'll put a screenshot of it on the screen. It's still there. $900. $900. What the hell? This shoe went from $550 to $900 in one day, meaning the person that was selling them was like, I want more money for them and raise them for $900. Or he was like, I really don't want to sell these, but if someone is willing to pay $900, I'll buy them, right? Well, guess what? I'm not willing to pay $900. All right. So I'm like, damn, what am I going to do now? This is a silhouette I never owned. I don't know if I need to go down half a size or up half a size or if it even fits true to size, blah, 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 blah. Whatever, you know what I'm saying? I got anxious, which you should never do when buying sneakers, especially Grails. I got anxious and I was like, I gotta buy it. And I bought the size 11.5. And you guys who follow the Instagram, you seen it on my story. I bought the size 11.5 and the 11.5 got canceled. You know what I'm saying? The buyer never confirmed it after however many days they get. I think it's 2 days or 3 days, which I kind of knew was gonna happen. I had a feeling, like, because this is a kind of an older shoe, and after it wasn't confirmed in a couple hours, I was like, yeah, this one is just gonna get canceled. So boom, ended up 11.5 ended up getting canceled. So now there's no more 11.5. That was the only one on the GoDaddy, right? The only 11.5 on the GoDaddy got canceled. So now there's none to buy on the GoDaddy. Yes, that's my fault, or technically the seller's fault, whatever. If you're also looking for this shoe, and then the size 12 just went up $350 in price. Not doing that. What do I do now? I put in a bid for $520 on the $900 pair on GoDaddy, right? And I wait a couple of days. I'm like, yo, I need to get this shoe. Like, he probably won't accept it. He doesn't want to sell it because I know what that means. I've done it before with shoes where I had to say I had a shoe for sale for like $300, and then I would just up the price to like $500. It's meaning, you know what I mean? I don't want to sell this shoe, but yo, if you give me $500, it'd be dumb of me not to let it go, right? So I've done that before. I understand where he's coming from. But once again, this is a silhouette that I never wore before. So shout out to the guys over at Hype Room. I hit them up. I was like, yo, do y'all have any of these in any colorway? Do y'all have any of these like in the store? There's none of them in stores and malls or anywhere that I could go try on. Like, do y'all have any I could try on? And they were like, nah, bro, we don't. The only one we have is a size 10.5. And I was like, damn, that's not going to help me. You know what I mean? That's not going to help me. I'm not going to know if I need to half size up or down or blah, 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 or if I can even work with an 11.5 or whatever. And I'm like, all right, man, bet. Then like a couple days later, I'm looking at their Snapchat story, and they just got a pair in a size 13. Yo, I hit them up. I'm like, yo, I'm coming down to the shop today. I got to try those on, bro. I'm not buying them. I just need to try them on to know for another shoe. They were a size 13. And I heard a lot of people say on YouTube and on Instagram, yo, if you're going to get one of these, you got to go half a size up. They're kind of narrow. They run tight. Da, da, da. I'm like, all right. Run down the Hype Room. They got the size 13. I put them on, and they fit like a glove. Like, they fit like my size 12s behind me fit. So now I'm thinking like, yo, the universe is telling me something, bro. The reason why that 11.5 got canceled is because if this 13 is fitting like a glove, that 11.5 just wouldn't have even got on your foot. So you need that 13. Go ahead and get your 13, right? And I'm like, bet. Because if you remember what I just told you earlier in the video is that StockX had a size 13. And guess what the price of StockX's size 13 was? $550. Just like the original size 12 that I was going to get, which now I'm realizing probably would have been a little uncomfortable, a little tight, a little too small, right? Because I was going to get that size 12 for the exact same price, $550 now on StockX. Boom. So I went ahead and bought it. I'm waiting for it to be sent out to StockX right now, man. Now, the only problem with StockX, I'll talk about it more when we get the app, is StockX. People say that StockX is more expensive than GoDaddy. That's not true. Neither one of them, technically StockX is more expensive. I'll tell you why. Neither one of them is more expensive. They're all based on the seller, how much the seller wants to sell the shoe for. StockX doesn't set prices, GoDaddy doesn't set prices. But what I will tell you is, on GoDaddy, for a $550 sneaker, after taxes, it comes out to, or after taxes and fees and shipping and all of that, GoDaddy shows you exactly what you're going to pay, right? The whole time. They show you what you're going to pay. They estimate your tax. They show you the shipping, the verification fee, seller fee, all of that, right? So $550 shoe after all of that on GoDaddy came out to be $598. The $550 shoe on StockX came out to be $617. So if you want to talk about which one is more expensive, StockX is more expensive, because a shoe that's listed at the exact same price, a shoe that's listed at $550 on GoDaddy, out of pocket to get that shoe, you're going to be paying $598 for a $550 shoe. On StockX, for a $550 listed shoe, you're going to be paying $617. You're going to be paying you're going to be $2, but you're going to be paying about $20 more on StockX for a $550 shoe. Obviously, it's all percentage based, so lower prices, the difference is going to be a little less, but StockX is more expensive. I don't know where that rumor of GoDaddy being more expensive came from, but if you're looking at exact value comparisons, StockX is more expensive. Anyways, I don't care. It's a Grail, right? So I had $570 in my GOAT credits, transferred it out, and then I just footed the rest myself, which from $570 to $617 isn't a lot of money, right? So I could do that, right? So I did that, boom, and that's what's going on. It's on the way, man. So this is another install. I know this video is long. It's a little longer than I wanted it to be, but it's the next level in my Grail hunting, man. You guys can tell I'm really excited about these. I can't wait till I have them in hand. You know what I'm saying? Your boy might shed a tear when they get in hand, man. I really, really love these. Can't wait to get them in hand. But it's been a long journey, you know what I mean? And we're in the last leg, hopefully. Hopefully these don't get canceled, because at the time of me recording this video, they haven't been shipped out yet, so StockX doesn't actually have them in hand. StockX did say I shouldn't expect them until about September 4th, which is fine, you know what I'm saying? It's going to take like 3 weeks. Cool. Really not even 3 weeks, because September, next week, the week after, yeah, it's not even going to be 3 weeks. It probably won't come in by then. It'll probably be late, but yo, it is what it is. Shoe that I'm super excited to get. I'll wait 2 months for these joints if I have to, man. That's how much I like this shoe. But yo, that's where I am right now in the Grail hunting saga. Thank you guys who have been around and keeping track of me buying this Grail. I can't wait till I get in the hand so I can show you guys what it is. But that is it for this video, you guys. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the channel. Join the Anonymous Sneakerhead family. The goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. That's the big goal. The little goal is to hit 800 by October, man. We just hit 700, and the goal was to do it before September. And we obviously beat that. So thank you guys so much, man. Also, if you made it this far, you like the video, so go ahead and hit that like button, man. Really means a lot to the channel. Helps show the video to new people. Potentially bring new people to the Anonymous Sneakerhead family. And then last but not least, follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of content up there. First, man, I do a lot of polls, questions, all of that stuff, so definitely make sure you go ahead and follow that. But that is it for this one, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, and as always, it's all about the sneakers.